Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a horrible noise and losing suction, it's likely that the motor is failing. This can happen due to wear and tear or debris clogging the motor, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring these symptoms may ultimately result in a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson V10. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Start by using the T15 torque screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as there are clips holding the cover in place. Next, locate the motor, which is situated near the top of the vacuum. You may need to disconnect the battery first, which can be done by unscrewing the battery screws and carefully pulling it away from the device. With the battery out of the way, you can now see the motor clearly. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking note of where they connect for reassembly. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place using the T15 torque screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new replacement motor and insert it into the same position, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place, applying a firm but gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Next, reconnect the cables to the motor, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the battery by sliding it back into place and securing it with the screws. Finally, carefully place the cover back onto the vacuum, ensuring all clips are aligned, and reinsert the screws at the base. Your Dyson V10 should now be ready to go. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and ensure that no debris gets stuck in the motor. This simple maintenance can prolong the life of your vacuum cleaner significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.